Hi families, today is April 7th, 2020. I'm going to do a quick recap of what we did this morning as well as in math. To help us with our lesson, we're going to be talking about the letter W today, our letter of the week. And to help us, I have a friend. His name is Wilbert. Can you guys say hi, Wilbert? Wilbert waves hello with his fins. And Wilbert likes the letter W, and he is a whale. He likes to eat things that begin with the letter W. Is that true? So let's help Wilbert to eat some snacks. Okay, our first snack that we have is a waffle. Can you guys say waffle? Raise your hand if you like to eat waffles. He's salivating, he's so excited. He's very happy that that begins with the letter W. Our next snack that we have is a watermelon. Can you guys say watermelon? Watermelon, and he likes to eat watermelon so much. That's his favorite fruit. Fantastic. Ooh, I would not want to eat this. He likes to eat. What is that? Web. Oh, he snatched that out of my hands. Ooh, I would not want to eat a web. Is that tasty? Wilbert thinks that the web is tasty. Our next thing, you like to eat a watering can? Can you guys say watering can? Oh my goodness, Wilbert. He is eating up everything. Our next thing is ooh, what is that? You might have a few of these in your house. A window. Oh, yes, he likes to eat windows too. And our last thing is what animal is that? Walrus. Can you guys say walrus? Wilbert doesn't want to eat the walrus because it's his friend. So let's help him swim away. Fantastic. So, great job helping Wilbert. We're going to make sure Wilbert is up here. He's going to help us out. And you guys can peek at Wilbert the whale up here. Okay, so to help us write the letter W, it's kind of tricky because we need to know where we start. So I'm going to turn on my camera, and I want you to follow along with your fingers and trace what the letter W looks like. So we have a lowercase w and an uppercase W. On our line, the uppercase W is a tall letter, so it starts at the top. Go ahead and start your finger at the top. We're going to go down the wave, up the wave, down the wave, up the wave. We're not picking up our pen or pencil. One more time, uppercase letter, W. Start at the top, down the wave, up the wave, down the wave, up the wave. Now, if you noticed, I went all the way back up. Now we're going to do a lowercase w. A lowercase w is a small letter, so it stays inside its own line. Go ahead and same pattern. Down the wave, up the wave, down the wave, up the wave. One more time. Thank you for tracing along with your finger. Down the wave, up the wave, down the wave, up the wave. Good job. So that's how you write the letter W. What sound does W make again? W, w, w. Good. Put that away. We're going to quickly reread our CH poem. We're going to read this together, so make sure you're following along. How many inches? Follow along with me, or saying this with me. We'll go slow. The bench is 10 inches. The chip is 2 inches. My lunch box is 4 inches. My chin is 3 inches. I can count inches. Great job. Now we're going to just quickly review our CH digraph words. Lunch, lunch. Great. Sounding it out. Inch, inch. ip, chip. Last page. In, chin, chest, chest, bench, bench. Go ahead and try to use one of these words. Go ahead and pause the video. Go ahead and try to use one of these words in a sentence and share that with your family. You can make up your own CH digraph words. Lunch, inch, chip, chin, chest, bench. Great work. Now, we're going to move on to our math. That was a quick recap of our phonics lesson. For our math, you are going to need your math whiteboard, marker, and eraser. I'm going to quickly close the blinds. This always happens around this time. Okay. A little easier to see. So we're going to be using our number path to help us, as well as our 10s frame. I'm going to roll our big dice to see what we're going to draw. We're going to use our 10s frame to help us make groups of 5. Can you say groups of 5? Ready? Okay, what number do we get? 2. With your marker, go ahead and make 2 shaded in circles. 1, 2. We can call these dots. 2 dots. Now we're going to draw one more circle. We're not going to fill it in. One more. We had 2, and we drew one more. What I want us to do is to point at the number 2 on your number path. Right here. Go ahead and move your finger over one more. 3. This says, the number path says we had 2. If we add one more, that should give us 3. Let's check and count our 10s frame. 1, 2, 3. Great. So now let's quickly write our number sentence or equation down here. We started off with how many dots? We started off with 2. Go ahead and write the number 2. 2 dots. We added one more. We drew another one. So if we're putting more, that's an addition sentence. Can you guys draw a plus sign? We're adding one more. Finally, how many more did we draw? 1. We had 2. We drew one more. So that means 2 plus 1 equals. Don't forget your sign. Equals. Count them all. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Go ahead and quickly draw your number bond. If you need to pause to have more time to pause or to draw it, go ahead and do that. Your number bond will look something like this. Remember, our whole has 2 lines. 1, 2. So this top circle for me is my whole. We're going to look at our numbers. 2, 1, and 3. The biggest number goes on the top. The number 3. And our 2 parts. 3 is 2 and 1. Read that out loud to yourself. 2 and 1 makes 3. Does that make sense? Yes. Go ahead and erase your board when you're done. We're going to do one more problem together before we practice counting up and backwards. I apologize for any noise. They're mowing the lawn right in front of my house. Okay. What number did we get? 5. Go ahead and draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great work. Now go ahead. I'm going to pause it. I want you to pause it and draw one circle that's not filled in. After you're done, go ahead and unpause and check your work. One more circle looks like this. If you did that, finish with that back. Now, go ahead and write your number sentence. Before writing your number sentence, I want you guys to find number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the number 5 on our number path. Right here. We're going to add one more. That means move it one space over. Now we have the number 6. Double check and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and one more makes 6. Go ahead and write your number sentence. Go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to draw some boxes to remind you that there's 3 numbers. In between each number, there's a symbol. Take a pause and then check work with me. We had 5 dots. We added one more. So 5 plus 1 equals all of the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Read that out loud. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Go ahead and draw your bond. Our largest number is going to go in the hole. 5, 1, and 6. The biggest number is number 6. Write your parts. 6 is 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Great work. Go ahead and erase everything. We're going to cap our marker. Put your marker and eraser away where they belong. Put your marker, your whiteboard is where it belongs. Make sure you put it in clean up after yourself. We're going to, before going over our day, we're going to count by 1s all the way to 10 and then backwards from there. So I need your 2 fists right in front of you, just like this. Ready? We're going to count by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and count backwards now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's practice that one more time. Okay, we're going to go a little slower just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to go backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great work, my friends. I'm going to share what we are doing today, what's expected of you. This was in our weekly email, Monday email, in our SMORE, as well as our distant learning link on our school website. So we're going to look at Tuesday. Our sight word is the word of. Our letter is W. So we want you to practice writing the word of in a sentence. You can do this with chalk. You can write it in your writing journal. You can use paint or anything you'd like, as long as you're practicing to write the word of in a sentence. You can even draw a picture of what you drew, or what you wrote, I should say. You're going to watch the letter W video. We're going to watch the video and a digraph video for CH. C and H make what sound together? They're on the choo-choo train. Great work. Once you're done with watching the video, please work on your digraph CH worksheet that looks like this. There's a CH at the top, just to remind you guys of our digraph. You're going to write your C and H at the end or beginning of your word to write bench, chip, lunch, chest, inch, and chin. And then you're going to write your words on each line, copying it down, making sure you're writing small letters correctly, tall letters correctly. After that worksheet, on our slide, you're going to choose a level that works best for your family. For your child, level A is our easiest level. Level D is the more challenging level. You can choose and see which one works best for your family. You're going to click on a level. It's going to be talking about the desert animals. Please read this out loud. If you have any problems downloading the file, or viewing the file, go ahead and download it onto your computer, and you should be able to see that. Listen to the rep. They'll read aloud, a walk in the desert, and answer these 2 questions to your family members. What plants live in the desert that have no leaves? And what is the weather like in the desert? For warm-up, if you have not done so already, we want you guys to sort 10 toys or 10 items. It could be something in your kitchen, something in your room, something in the living room. Sort them by color. So what colors are similar and the size, if you have something big, medium, or small. Go ahead and practice reviewing our story. If you have not watched the lesson 38 video, go ahead and watch the lesson 38 video, and then complete today's math worksheet. Today's math worksheet for lesson 38. It's going to have 2 worksheets. You guys can choose either or. You can choose one worksheet to work on or both, up to your family. It looks like this. You are going to be able to use crayons for this. If you don't have crayons, you can just do shade or do circles, dots, and filled in dots that we did today. You're going to color some in and add 1 more, fill out your number bond, and go from there. There's review for subtraction problems, subtracting 1 less. Finally, for writing, you can write anything in like 2 to 4 sentences. If you need a question, your question is, what is your favorite outside activity? Outdoor activity, maybe anything you like to do outside. So that's our day. If you have any questions, please feel free to email your teachers. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.